Hello guys, I'm Hossein and this video is for my submission for CS50W project to Commerce. This is an action application. Let's go to the video and see what this application is capable to do. First of all, I want to show you the models I use for this application. I created 5 models, a model for bid, comment, listings, users and watchlist. These models are for database and used for that. Let's go to the website. This is the actual action application. The footer, the header. So let's log in. If you don't have an account, you can register here. So I have an account, so I log in from here. So now I'm logged in and I have some options additionally. For example, I can create a listing now. I want to sell my iPhone SE 2022. I write the description, paste the image URL, starting bid at $400, digitals, active, and now I can see my listing in the active listings page. Now I want to show you the listing page. Let's go to this. So as you see, we can add this to my watch list. From this, and I can remove it from my watch list here. And now if we add it to my watch list, I can see it here. So let's go back to the product page. For example, if we want to place a bid on this listing, here I place, for example, 500. Okay, I place my bid and it shows me the error because my bid amount is much lower than the current price. So for example, if I place this, it shows me your bid is successfully added, and you can see the current price now. From here, if we want to see our watch list, we just need to click on the watch list and it shows me the listing are placed in my watch list. The other part of my application I want to show you is the categories page. It shows you the 9 categories I created for this application, and for example, if we clicked on the digital categories, it shows me the listing with the category digitals. And the last thing I want to show you is the Django admin interface. So let's log in as the super user account, admin, login. We're logged in now. So we can go to the comments, and I actually don't like this comment. I delete it, and I can delete this, I can delete this actually, or edit this here from here, or I can add a listing actually. From here, user, watch lists. There's no watch lists for any user to see that, and this. I hope you enjoyed my application and my presentation.